This is the STX 2600 brand new machine from SMEC. Now this is a multitasking machine. Is this something, Paul, that SMEC are known for?
No, not currently is the straight answer to that, to be blunt. But no, so this is a new machine here. It's a world premiere for them. It's a statement. It's a real statement.
Yes.
You know, they're stepping into the advanced technologies arena. We've seen their machines in the marketplace. Their turning centres, their machining centres, and we look at them as, you know, quite robust products.
Yes.
Heavy cutting, heavy duty machines. Now they're moving into a different league with this multitasking technology.
Just before we get into the technology though, when you look at this machine, what's important to them is they wanted to create a machine that was aesthetically pleasing, to pitch up there, to say, no, you get good quality machines, but they also look good.
It's funny, isn't it? Because it's a big, we're here obviously at EMO and we're going round and there's a lot of focus this year on what things are looking like.
Yes.
More so than ever before. I've never gone around a show and people talk about the technology and they so forth, but now it's like, look at it.
Yeah.
You know, look at how cool this looks.
Wow.
Is it what people are after now? There's
yes.
that
100%,
look and feel
Paul.
as well.
Yeah, 100%. Nowadays, when you go out and talk to companies, they want to pitch manufacturing and engineering to the next generation. And I think having a good-looking machine on your machine shop shows you're professional. You know, it's everything. It looks good. It's a solid built machine, but not only that, it looks good.
Yeah, well, but I also think that you know, the technology gaps are getting smaller. They are. You know, there's only so many gains you can make with these machines. So when those gains almost run out, what do you look at next? And I mean, look and feel is obviously part of that too.
Absolutely.
But the technology is obviously what we're talking about.
Okay, you guaranteed you've got a robust machine here. Tell me about this technology. Tell me about the head and the options.
Well, you've got two spindles here on this machine, so and then you've got a bottom turret here, which has got 12 stations on it. You've got a C6 Capto milling head. They're shortly going to be introducing an HSK 63. So and they're all direct drive spindles. So whether it's the turning on the front or the back or the milling, you've got that. You know, you've got that security in the machining process. That, you know, you've got plenty of power and plenty of support. You know, and a stable process thanks to the direct drive.
It's all about getting that part off in one, isn't it? Who needs this machine then?
Yeah, I mean that's the key here. I mean, we could talk about, you know, bar diameters, chuck sizes, you know, what the tools are on the turret. But really what we are trying to get across to the marketplace is that for SMEC, you're now looking at a machine here that is multi-purpose, it's multi-function. You know, it's putting a part on. Everyone's having an issue with operators, you know, finding them.
It's true.
You know, making sure that you make a part in one hit so you don't scrap parts. All of those things, when you look at multitasking technology, the volume of machining centres and straight horizontal lathes sales will decrease and is decreasing because this sort of technology is now being sought after by manufacturers around the world. And with that being the case, then of course SMEC want to be in that arena competing, which they are now with this STX
with
machine.
With choice, Paul, different control systems, you know, that's what they've told us today.
Yeah,
you know,
I mean, you'll have the Siemens control coming soon on this. There'll also be machines that are bigger and smaller than the 2600.
Yes.
So, you know, they're going for this kind of, multi-purpose, multi-function machine, multitasking machine.
And this is showing SMEC are here to stay and here to support you.